Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel Lotus Geek. In this video we're gonna fix an error in which your start menu or search bar not working at all in Windows 11. You can see over here also neither search nor start menu not working at all. So let's go ahead and fix it issue. You need to right click on the start menu and click on the option Task Manager. From here click on the file menu and choose run new task and type here CMD and click on check mark this icon, create this task with administrative privilege. If you are unable to open task manager, then simultaneously press Windows and R key and type here CMD. Now after entering CMD, you need to press Control Shift and then hit the enter key. This will open CMD in the administrative privilege. So first command is sfc space / scan now and then hit the enter button. Now once this command is completed, type another command dism space / online space / cleanup image space / restore health and then hit the enter button again. Now again wait for few minutes to complete this command also. Once the command is completed, go ahead and close it. Now don't forget to restart your system and check if it is fixed or not. Now if it is not working, the second way is by opening your settings menu. Click on Windows Update and check for any updates. If there are any updates available, click on download now to make sure your Windows is up to date. Sometimes simply updating will fix out your issue. Now if this also doesn't work out, the third step is using PowerShell. Again open your run command by pressing Windows and R key and type here PowerShell. Again simultaneously press Control Shift and enter key to open PowerShell in admin mode. Now in PowerShell you need to enter a command. I'll provide the same command in the description below and hit the enter key after pasting the command. Now again wait for some time to let this command finishing its work. Now once the command is completely processed, close it and restart your system and again check if the start menu or search bar working or not. If still it is not working, the only option we are left with is to create a new user by simultaneously pressing Windows and R key to open the run command and type here lusr mgr.msc and then hit the enter key. Now here click on the users and from in this right pane right click and click on new user. Give it a name. Provide a description as you can make it blank and type the password. You can uncheck this option because you are creating username for yourself. Hit the create button. Now click on the close button. Now close it. Open your settings menu. Choose accounts. Choose family and other users. From here choose your account that is newly created and expand it. From here change account type and give the new account as administrator rights. Hit the OK button. Now we have given new account the administrator rights. Now go ahead and lock your Windows screen and access your Windows using that particular account. Lock your screen by pressing the Windows and L key. You can see this one is a newly created account and you can see I can easily access my start menu. You can recover your old files, your desktop files by going to this PC, C drive, users, your username. My username was VJ of my previous account. Now here find the folder with the name desktop. And if you have checked this video from the starting, you can see these are the files and folders that are present at my desktop. I'll go ahead and copy them and paste over here. That's it you have to do. Now your start menu as well as your search bar will be completely working in the new user, and you can even delete that earlier old user after copying all the files from the desktop over here. That's it about it, friends. If you like this tutorial of mine, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share my channel with your friends also. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.